Ever checked your bank account and had to squint, not because the font was tiny, but because your balance looked more like a typo than actual money? Maybe you even refreshed the app 3 times, hoping it would magically go up. Spoiler, it didn't. That feeling isn't just yours, it's the unofficial anthem of 2025. Between rising rent, grocery prices that could fund a small moon mission, and jobs that pay in stress and leftover donuts, broke isn't just a stage of life, it's a vibe. But here's the twist. Being broke isn't permanent. It's not your destiny, and it sure as heck isn't a life sentence. And no, we're not here to pitch you a pyramid scheme or an app that pays you to nap while holding your breath. This isn't fantasy, this is real. We're talking about a hustle-free, smart, scalable path that everyday people are using to leap from can't-afford coffee to buying the cafe, complete with oat milk, Wi-Fi, and those artsy mugs that weigh like 5 pounds. Let's start the video. So buckle up, because if you're tired of being broke and exhausted, what comes next might just change your bank balance and your whole mindset. The rise of the hustle economy in 2025. The American side hustle has gone from quirky to critical. In 2025, according to a Wall Street Journal report, over 5.3% of workers are juggling multiple jobs, a statistic that mirrors recession-level employment patterns from decades past. Nearly 40% of millennials and Gen Z now maintain at least one side hustle. What used to be a creative outlet or a way to make fun money is now a financial lifeline. Think of it less like a hobby and more like a portable economic survival kit. It's not just about making more, it's about making it work. The job market in 2025 isn't broken, but it's definitely bruised. Pay increases haven't kept up with inflation, and cost of living continues to rise. Rent, groceries, and utility bills are sprinting while salaries jog. The result? Americans are monetizing everything from car trunks to camera skills, and they're doing it without clocking into a second 9 to 5. How much money are side hustlers really making? Let's drop some truth bombs. According to LendingTree's 2025 Side Hustle Report, the average American side hustler earns about $1,215 per month. The median, around $400, which proves not everyone's making 6 figures flipping NFTs. But here's the interesting part. Top earners and seasoned side hustlers are pulling in more than $3,000 per month with the right strategies, and many have scaled to passive models that work while they sleep. And that's not the exception. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, and Amazon have empowered everyday people to create income channels that outpace traditional jobs. According to Forbes, selling digital printables, running AI-powered content services, and managing small e-commerce stores are among the fastest-growing income streams this year. The global gig economy reached a staggering $556.7 billion in 2024 and is on pace to exceed $646 billion by the end of 2025. Forecasts suggest it'll top $1.85 trillion by 2032. You don't need to be a Wall Street trader to know that's a train worth jumping on. The mindset shift from hustle culture to systems thinking. Let's get one thing straight. Hustle doesn't mean sleepless nights and Red Bull breakfasts. That's a burnout recipe, not a success strategy. The real winners in 2025 aren't working more. They're working smarter. They build systems, automate tasks, and delegate the soul-sucking parts of business to tech. The average high-income side hustler isn't spending 30 hours a week driving Uber. They're setting up passive product sales, affiliate blogs, and digital tools. In fact, over 43% of side hustlers now use AI to streamline their operations. AI-generated content, customer support chatbots, and automated bookkeeping are turning one-person side gigs into lean, mean income machines. As Medium contributor Hazel Paradise recently wrote, "I automate 80% of my hustle content creation, customer onboarding, and even my email replies. If you're still doing everything manually in 2025, you're hustling wrong." The top hustles in 2025 that don't feel like work, let's talk winning plays. Mobile car detailing has quietly become one of the most lucrative, low-barrier businesses out there. With a few $100 in supplies and a Facebook ad or two, college students are now clearing $4,000 to $6,000 per month part-time. One student from Phoenix, Arizona, scaled his side hustle into a full-time company within 8 months. Selling digital printables on Etsy is also hot. Templates, planners, resume designs, you name it. One seller recently shared that she earns $9,500 a month from just one store, with zero inventory or shipping headaches. Freelancing remains king. Web design, copywriting, video editing, and digital marketing command rates between $60 to $150 per hour for skilled freelancers. Platforms like Upwork and Contra have exploded in traffic this year as businesses outsource everything they can to flexible, remote talent. And let's not forget AI-powered gigs. Content creation using tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Midjourney is a new goldmine. One entrepreneur runs a YouTube channel where AI generates everything: the script, the voiceover, and the thumbnail. Monthly income? Over $5,000 with only 2 hours of human effort per week. The 4-step hustle-free method that works. Step 1. Know your strengths. The key is to start where your skills and interests already exist. If you're good at writing, consider blogging or freelance copywriting. If you have a passion for fitness, create digital workout plans or an online coaching service. When you play to your strengths, you lower the learning curve and increase your chances of sticking with it. Step 2. Automate early. Use tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, Canva, and Stripe to build workflows that run in the background. For example, an affiliate blogger can automate email collection, content generation, and even SEO updates, all while working a full-time job. If it can be outsourced to tech, outsource it. Step 3. Treat it like a business. Register an LLC. Track your expenses, pay quarterly taxes, create SOPs, standard operating procedures. This isn't your lemonade stand, it's a future enterprise. The difference between hobby and business? Structure. Step 4. Reinvest and scale. Don't spend that first $500 on new sneakers. Reinvest in ads, software tools, or freelancers to help grow your reach. The hustlers who win in 2025 aren't chasing trends, they're building assets. Real talk. What success looks like at 3, 6, and 12 months. In your first 90 days, expect to earn around $500 to $1,200 per month if you're consistent. You'll build your brand, secure your first customers, and begin building automation tools. It won't feel glamorous, but it will be real. By 6 months, systems start to take shape. You're publishing content, processing transactions passively, and maybe even hiring your first virtual assistant. Income grows toward the $1,500 to $2,500 range for most who reinvest and iterate. At the 12-month mark, things start to compound. Your following grows, your systems run smoother, and you've got a working business. Not just a side gig, a serious income stream. The broke version of you will barely recognize who you've become. Case study. From teen hustler to $8 million businesswoman. Grace Beverly is a UK-based entrepreneur who started her first hustle in her teens, selling productivity planners and workout plans. Fast forward a few years, she now runs Shreddy and Tala, 2 fitness-focused brands that brought in millions. Her method? Build scalable products, delegate tasks, and invest profits into systems. She famously said, "I didn't work 100-hour weeks, I worked 10 smart ones." Let that be your North Star. The pitfalls you'll want to dodge. First, don't fall into the skill gap trap. Over 30% of side hustlers quit early because they feel underqualified. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. Courses, YouTube, AI, there are endless free resources. The moment you begin, you're ahead of 95% of people still Googling how to start a side hustle. Next, watch out for burnout. If your side gig feels like a second full-time job, something's wrong. Hustle-free doesn't mean zero effort, but it shouldn't mean anxiety attacks either. Choose a hustle that energizes you, not one that drains you. Lastly, avoid the shiny object syndrome. Don't chase trends or the latest TikTok hack every week. Find your lane and stay in it long enough to get traction. Focus beats flash every time. If you learn something new, laughed a little, or are already planning your first $1,000 side hustle, Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe for more no fluff, real money tips, and drop a comment telling me which hustle you're starting first.